Here's our first official bath bomb. We're fixing to toss it in and see how it works. Sit down. Yeah, go ahead. Let's see what we got. Oh my God, guys! Mom made bath bombs. What the heck? Oh my God, that's so great. I'm so proud of us. You guys don't know, Rachel. Oh, that one dissolved quickly. Well, they're little. Okay, and these are the ones that stayed in the lid. Oh, you never couldn't get out. See? Oh my. They're really good. Oh my God. And you smell the rose. It's not too strong? Wow. You're welcome. Okay guys, that's a wrap, and that is freaking awesome. Now we gotta make some bigger ones. So, yay us!
Let's get some bigger.